Back with another IDMP video, and today we're going to be showing how an end-to-end chemical scenario in IDMP works and how you can demo it. But first, why IDMP for chemical scenarios? Well, chemical manufacturing plants have a lot of different people working at them. Operators, you've got management, and you've got engineers. They all have different stats like KPIs or operational equipment management or people that want alarms. And that's okay. We understand that you need a unified version or platform to bring all of this together so you can properly contextualize your data to get insights faster and to be alerted quicker, right? So how can you actually show this? Well, IDMP poses the perfect solution with its AI-powered data historian. And I'm going to show you multiple ways which you could demo and show off a chemical manufacturing scenario. So here's the first one. We're going to dive right in. Here for this train, I have a chemical manufacturing scenario that shows the end-to-end of a live real-time scenario. I can even adjust the auto refresh interval, and we have a live event broadcasting right over here. That live event will either turn red when the purity level is low enough. So let's give it a second here to see if our purity level ever drops, and there you go. This can also be used to fire off an event directly, alerting an operator, acting as an alarm, and bridging the visual barrier. It's one of the ways IDMP can help. Another is going into our dashboards. We have something called plant monitoring. It's an end-to-end monitoring system for your everyday engineering and operating needs. It's got everything put into one, ensuring that you could see and visualize exactly how things work in IDMP and in your platform. Here you can see raw materials delivery all the way to a titration analyzer, ensuring you'll never miss any part of an operation. Going into batch analysis, this shows operational insights, perfect for generating conclusions about your data and seeing how everything is performing. I can even add a refresh interval here, as well as pick a time range. Now, some of our operators and engineers and management want to see trends, share R101 trends, which show trends and mechanical influence among the plant. I can even pick a timing interval. I can go ahead and click apply, and it'll show me the data for the last 1 hour. End-to-end tracking everything. Now, hey, what about those KPIs? Those are pretty important, you might say. And I agree. And you can find KPIs using the powerful analyses within TDengine. Here, we've got one running already. The reactor high temperature warning analyzer. It's a new analysis that calculates how high the temperature gets. If it gets above a certain point, fire an analysis, and it'll generate an event off of it. Now let's see what that looks like. Here, going into the events section, and if you give it a second, you'll see all of the events generated. I can take some of these and add these to a trend, and you'll see this is how high the reactor temperature has gotten at a certain point. Now I can also add multiple metrics, right? So I go back to the attributes. Maybe I think that, hey, my pressure has something to do with it. What if the pressure had something to do with it? Well, I can just add it to that trend, and there you go. It's overlaid with the temperature. I can even overlay them on top of each other. I can align them by start time, and this is better done in multi-swim lane. And then I can even normalize the data, ensuring that no matter what the event is, the frame is always going to consider the exact start time based on all 4 of the events. Gone are the days where you need numerous data analysts to do this. Anyone is a data expert with TDengine. And I can even see the events and attributes list, including the max, min, average, median, 5% profile, and 95% profile, offering you end-to-end control and the ability to save this as a panel and save this as a dashboard save events as a dashboard allows you to keep everything in your operations streamlined, making IDMP the perfect tool for you.